What's up, you guys? This is Credit Guide. Welcome to the channel. Please comment, subscribe, and like the video. I want to talk to you guys about ways of building credit. Now, you won't only, like, your credit score won't just go up by you getting deletions. It won't just help. I mean, it help, but it won't help it as far as you also, if you decide to go and add new credit. Like, the goal is to continue to add new credit and get those deletions, because they both work hand in hand. Because you don't want to just have all negative stuff deleted, but then they don't got no way of trusting you in the future, because they were like, well, dog, we don't see anything new. How can we trust them in the future? So, different things you can get. Self-lenders. Self-lenders are a good one. They have the credit builder, and what they do is you make a payment on a loan every month. And then after you actually pay the loan off, then you get the money. That's another different way you can establish credit. Is called a credit builder loan. And they report to Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Another way you can repair your credit and as far as rebuild is get you a secured credit card. Now, a secured credit card is when you put a down payment on the card, and whatever your down payment becomes your credit limit of that card. It works just like any regular card, but the only thing about most cards like that, they don't really give like no cash back or nothing like that, but it's pretty much only really good for rebuilding. But after a while, like if you continue to work that and pay that on time, eventually they will actually have a card for you that you can actually get those type of benefits. And also, like I said, guys, credit is a long game. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna tell you no lie and say, hey, I just sent my first dispute, I got all my deletions. It don't always work like that. Sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. It also depends on what's on your credit and how long the information is on your credit and what type of things is on your credit. Like, I never suggest you paying charge-offs or collections unless they say, if you pay this, we'll delete this. But it has to be in writing. You can't just assume that, oh, well, they said it's just your word against theirs. So different ways that you guys can build your credit and stuff. But yeah, that's a secure card. And then also back to self. If you get the credit bill on with self, after about, I think about 5 or 6 months, you'll actually be approved for a self credit card. And like with that, instead of you going paying your loan off and getting the money, every time you pay that credit bill loan, they add that to your credit limit on your credit card. So it's kind of like it's a hand in hand. So you pretty much get the credit builder credit history, and you get the credit card credit history. So those are two good bonus. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a link in the description for that, so you guys can sign up. Make sure you spread the word, because it's definitely a good company. And then also you have Kickoff. I'll use that personally as well. That's pretty good. It's kind of like Self, but it's just like your payments a lot cheaper. And also with Self too, with Self you can get a loan like $25 a month, $500 loan, $25 a month. You can't beat that. But yeah, you guys, I know it's been a while since I posted a video. I just wanted to give you guys some tips and stuff to help you guys out in the long run. Like I said, stay focused, continue to work on your credit, and we'll see you on the other side. Thank you.